Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a house. Let's start off by drawing a long horizontal line for the ground. Next, draw a vertical line here and another going up at an angle like so. Then, mirror those on the other side a house shape. For the roof, extend the angled line out a bit, followed by a short perpendicular line, and follow along the top of the house shape like so. Doing the same on the opposite side. This part of the roof that hangs over like this is called an eave. Next, draw a wide rectangle down here for the stoop, and another smaller rectangle on top of that one for another step. Followed by a big tall rectangle on top for the door. To the right, draw a big square shape with a plus sign on the side for a window. And one more on the left side too. For the garage, draw a horizontal line going to the right in the middle of the roof. Then, turn straight down like so. From the corners of the roof here, draw two horizontal lines that extend all the way to the line on the right over here. Then, slightly inside, draw another line going down to close it out. To finish off the garage, draw a big box here with some thin horizontal lines for the garage door. Next, draw some cloud shapes for some bushes around the house here, 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 and here. And let's add one more round window up here for the attic. For some added detail, draw some horizontal lines on the garage roof like so. Lastly, extend the line from the left wall up with another line going down to the chimney. On top, draw a very thin horizontal rectangle to cap it off. Then, draw a few rectangles on the chimney for a brick texture. You don't have to draw all of them, just a few are enough to get the idea across. Finally, draw some cloud shapes going up and out of the chimney for some smoke. And now you've got a house.